I had so much fun shooting a not Computex video this week. I think
yeah.
I think my favorite video of the week was actually not Computex. I went back to the tech mall.
I don't even know. Oh, sorry. I'll let you finish.
No, go ahead.
I was gonna say I don't even know. The video's not even out yet,
Yeah.
and I want you to expand on this concept.
Yeah.
Watching you do the thing while I was there was like, yeah, this is cool.
From a chair in the corner here.
They never even gave me a chair.
I had to stand.
Damn.
That is the ultimate. That's the ultimate. Can you get any lower while also being up higher? Like,
Anyway, sorry.
So, the last couple of years at Computex, the first time, I don't remember why we did it the first time. But then the second time, because the first time was really successful and fun and good vibes. But basically, we've gone to this local tech mall and just like bought over the top computers and then like given them away on the street. And that was fun. But I felt like, okay, it's played out now. How do we mix this up? How do we like flip the script? How do we subvert expectations? And I was like, I'm not gonna shop at the tech mall. I'm gonna work at the tech mall. So I reported for duty. Was it 2 days ago? Not yesterday, the day before. I put on my apron.
Yeah.
And I said, okay, boss, what do I do? I went back to the store that we bought the system from the very first year, so 2 years ago, and he was my boss for the day. He said, build that system, troubleshoot this, reinstall Windows on that, water cool this, bend this tube. He left for like long periods of time. I don't know if you know this.
Nope.
He would like leave for 20 minutes, half an hour to go pick up a customer's RMade,
Yep,
GPU
sure.
or like do whatever he's got to do.
Yep.
We had an issue with one of the builds where,
A lot of those shops are single owner operator, and this will happen.
yep.
They'll do that.
And so one of the issues that I had with one of the builds that I was working on was that the backplate on the GPU wouldn't fit with the oversized RAM cooler that the customer wanted. They were interfering because of the thick backplate, so we had to use a GPU riser in order to even complete the build. And we had the cage for this vertical GPU kit, but we didn't actually have the riser cable. So I was able to test fit it with the cage, but he had to like go just to another store and like buy a kit so that I could complete the build. So I was like working on another system in the meantime. I forget where I was going with this, but like he left. He was gone. I'm like, if anyone came to the store, it was me and Google Translate. Like I had no training, so I was just like writing people's names and the issues with their computers on scraps of paper. Like
Do what you can.
dude, it was so much fun. I'm actually very proud of the result of one of the things that I did. I don't think you saw it.
Not the final.
Dude,
I'm assuming I know what you're talking about, but not the final.
I've still got it.
Oh. Oh, you mean the skill.
Oh yeah.
I thought you meant the thing, and I was like, I thought that was a
No.
customer build, but
I still got it, brother.
heck yeah.
I did a 90-degree bend by hand, put it down on the tile. Perfect.
Nice.
Actually perfect.
Nice.
Dude, I still got it. Anyway, it was a lot of fun, and I'm really excited for that video to come out. It's going to be freaking awesome.